Welcome back for the online class. Today we will solve some more numericals related to correlation and convolution for two-dimensional array matrix. Previously we have seen with a one-dimensional correlation and convolution operation. Here on the image, okay, the image will be available in the form like a matrix, and how the convolution and correlation will be performed. Now let us see the example. Now in the previous class also I have mentioned the image will be represented with the F and the template or a window is represented with the W. The window will be the standard, it is given by the few of the filters like Laplacian, okay, Sobel. Now for a momentary we took the W value will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is your W. Okay, what is the size of the W now? 3 by 3. Now your image is represented with f of xy. The size of the image will be 5 by 5, means there is a 5 rows and 5 columns. Okay. Now in the image processing, 0 represents it's a black, 1 represents it's a white. Okay. Now there is a simple image I took it for to perform operation. In the previously for the one dimensional, what are the basic the first operation we have performed, okay, for the correlation. Okay. Now we have not rotated the W, that is a window. Now we kept it as it is. In the finally we have rotated it. Okay, that is what the means. The post rotate operation has been performed in correlation. Now, and this is the first step. In the second step, what we have done, we padded with the m minus 1 zeros. Okay, let us say that the size of the m, okay, in this matter the m stands for the size of your window. What is the size of the window here? 3 by 3, m minus 1. What is m will be 3, means 3 minus 1, 2 by 2. There is a 2 rows and the 2 columns are supposed to be padded to the your image. I hope you understood this. Okay. Now here this is a 3 by 3, m is equal to 3, means m minus 1 zeros to be padded, that is 2, m minus 1, okay, that is 2, means 2 rows and 2 columns are padded to the image. Okay. Now look at here. Now there are, what is the size of the image actually means 5 by 5. Now after padding you will do extra 2 columns, okay, 2 columns here, okay, there is a 2 columns, 2 by 2 rows and the columns. Okay, this is like 2 rows will be added, 2 rows and the 2 columns will be comes into picture. So since we got this is a padded, okay, this is the padded pixels, okay, like, okay, for the image. Okay, I hope you understood that why we added padded with the 2 by 2. Okay. Now in the second step we have padded with the zeros. In the next step, okay, we will keep this W, okay, onto the pixel. The very first pixel we will keep it here. Okay, what is the size of here? 1, 2, 3 by 3. We will keep it onto this. Okay, just you keep it here. Okay, means you slide it onto the 3 by 3 pixels of a W. Okay, now you multiply all the values, 1 into 0, 1 into 0, plus 2 into 0, plus 3 into 0, plus, okay, 4 into 0, plus, okay, 5 into 0, plus 6 into 0, plus 7 into 0, okay, 7 into 0, plus 8 into 0, plus 9 into 0. Okay, after addition, what the answer you will come up here? You will get here 0. Okay. Now what are the 0 you get here? Okay, for this pixel, for this window, okay, for this window. Okay. Now this 0 will be obtained after multiplication. Okay, after what are the center pixel value? This is the center pixel of a 3 by 3. It will be replaced with this 0. I hope you are getting this one. Okay. Now the value will be replaced with a 0. Anyway, it is 0, previously also 0, it is 0 now. Okay. This is the step number 1, what we have performed here. Okay. Now for these many pixels. Now what we have to do? We have to slide it by one position. Means we have to slide one column right side. Means after sliding, okay, what we have to do? We have to slide it here. After sliding, again we will go into this position. Okay. Again you keep this W here. What is this? 1 into 0, 0, 2 into 0, 0, 1, you go on adding it here, 3 into 0, 0, all the 0. Okay, which is a center pixel? This is a center pixel. Okay, this center pixel, what is the result you have obtained? 0, it will be replaced with a 0. I hope you are getting this one. Okay, the next step. Okay, now what you have to do? You have shifted by one column. Now again you have to shift it by one more column. That is what you get here, these many pixels. These pixels, which are those? 3 by 3. Why? Because the W is 3 by 3. Now again you multiply the same thing, which is a center pixel. You already performed this one. Okay, I think I shifted with a more number, 1 here, 2. Okay, sorry for this one. Okay, earlier in the beginning I changed this one. Okay, next will be after this I change this one. Now after this one, which is this will be changed. Okay, means I have to go to the fourth of this one. Okay, means this will be 0, right? Okay, now again you slide it here. Okay, this will be getting changed 0 again, because all the 0. Okay, now what you have to do? Again you slide it here, 0. This is also center pixel. You have to replace the answer with the center pixel. Okay, now again you will replace with this one, 0. Okay, now what you have to do? This one, 0. Okay, okay, now all these values are replaced with what? 0 itself only, because you are getting an answer with a 0. Okay, now what you have to do? When you reach at the end of the like a boundary of an image, what you have to do? You have to slide it down by 1. Okay, how you have to slide it? Slide it down by 1 here, means these pixels will be covered. Okay, now which is the center? Again you perform this one, 1 into 0, 0, 2 into 0, 0, 3 into 0, 0. Okay, now which is the center pixel? This one. Okay, hope you understood. This is not modified in the previously. Okay, now 0. Again what you have to do? You have to slide it here. Okay, which is that? This is the center pixel. Okay, now again you slide it here, which is that? This is center pixel. Now after this one, again you slide it here, center pixel. Okay, slide it here, this will be modified, this will be modified. This is not modified. This column and this row is not modified. It will be retained with we call it as a boundary of an image. It is not modified. Okay, now all this will be modified here in the first step. Again this is the second step, this is modified. Okay, after modification means whatever the result you are obtained, that will be replaced with the center pixel. Now what you have to do here? Now you go again by one here. Okay, now look at this one. Can you perform 0 by 0, 1 into 0, 0. What is the center value? After performing, the product value will be obtained 0 only. Hope you understood here. Okay, now you just slide it here, slide it with the value. Okay, 1 into 0, 0. Okay, now it will be 0 itself. Getting it? Okay, now you reach it here. When you reach at this point, okay, now I will keep the position window here. Okay, now interestingly, okay, now the value is not the 0. Okay, what the value now? Okay, now you multiply this 0 with a 1. Okay, what is that? 0 plus 2 with a 0, 0. Okay, 3 with a 0, 0. Okay, now 4 with a 0, 0. 2, 0, 3 again, 0. Okay, now 7, 0, 8, 0. 9 will be slided with the 1. What is the answer you are getting? 1 into 9, you are getting a 9 here. Okay, now what is the result you are getting? 9. Okay, now which is the center pixel? Center pixel will be this one. This is the center pixel. Now it is not the 0. This is the center pixel. It is now replaced with what value? It will be, now this is the center pixel. It is replaced with a 9. 9, what you get here. Okay, now I hope you understood this one. 9, what I get here. Okay, this was the answer I got here, 9. Okay, now again, which are the values I slided here? Okay, now after sliding here, I got here 9. Okay, now what you have to do? Again, you have to slide it little bit like this. Okay, now when you are sliding here, okay, when you slide at this position, you get here like this. Okay, now again you multiply this one. 1 into 0 again 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 8 into 1. 8 you are getting, which is the center pixel. This will be the center pixel. What was the value of this one? 9. What is the value you get here? 8. So this was the 8. This is the first step you got here, 9. In the second step you got 8 here. Okay, now because all the answer you are getting a 0 itself only. Okay, now again what you have to do? You have to slide it here. When you slide it here, again you multiply 1 into 0, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0 like this. So this one will be multiplied with the 7. So what the answer you are getting here? 7. So what you get here? 7. Okay, means I got here 9. Okay, sorry for this one. I got here 9, 8 and 7. Okay, I hope you understood how I got here 9, 8, 7. Okay. Now when you perform this operation, you have to slide it down here. Slide it with this one. Again you are getting a 0. This is a center pixel. Okay, now when you come to this position, look at this. Now again 0, 1. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This one is multiplied with 6. So what the answer you get? Which is the center pixel? This is the center pixel. What the answer you get here? 9, 8, 7 previous answers. Now it will be replaced with 6. I hope you understand. This is a center pixel. Whatever the center pixel, what you are getting. Okay, I'll make it with a dark here. This is a center pixel. What is the value of center pixel now? That's 6. Okay. Now after getting here, now you make it with a slide it here. Okay. Now when you slide it here, okay, what is the value of center value here? Okay, you multiply this one. You just multiply W with this one. After multiplication, 5 will be multiplied with 1 here, which is the center pixel 5. I obtained here. Okay. I hope you're getting here 9, 8, 7. I got here 6, 5, 4. Okay. Now again you slide it here. After sliding here, okay, when you slide it at this position, what the answer you get here? 4. That is a 4. Because apart from this 1 is multiply here, 4 you get an answer here. Okay. Similarly, when you reach here, what you have to do? You have to go down by 1 position. 0, 0. Again, same operations you perform. When you performing here, okay, when it comes at this position, 1, 3. Okay, 3 you will get here. Next here, 2 you get here. 1 you get here. Like this it will be getting performed. Okay, like this it will be getting slided here. Okay, now once it reaches at this point, again you come down. Same process you repeat, because you have to reach to the boundary. Again you here, like this. You repeat for the full image. Okay, after performing this, okay, when it scans full image, you end up with the answer. What is the answer you get here? Okay, now look at this. This is answer 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now what was the W value? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now what we are done in like one dimensional, we are done post rotate. Okay. Now it is not to rotate here. Your answer itself will becomes in the rotated way. That is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I hope it is visible for you. 9, 8, 7, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I hope how I got here correlation. This is the answer what I got. Okay, now there are like unnecessary steps, means we have padded the image with like a m minus 1 zeros. What we have to do? We have to remove those m minus 1 zeros, m minus 1 rows and columns. Okay, what we do? We will crop this. We will crop this one. We will crop this. You crop this. Crop. Okay, after cropping, you will end up with this is the final answer. I hope you understood this one. This is a what we call is a correlated output image. Okay, it's a processed image. What the processing operation we have done? We done correlation operation. Okay, I hope you're getting this one. Okay, now similarly, we will go for a convolution. Okay, convolution. In this convolution, okay, in the one dimension convolution, what we have done here? We performed pre-rotate of a W. Okay, now when you perform a pre-rotate of a W, okay, whatever the value of W, it will be getting rotated, and we will scan it a similar fashion how we perform for the correlation. Okay, let me say I'll take it for one here to understand. Okay, pre-rotate. What the pre-rotate here? W will be pre-rotated. Means look at this one. All the operations will be same. Means padding of a m minus 1 zeros, rows and columns will be same. What we do? We rotate the W and we will slide it on the image. When we sliding here, okay, there is a one example has been shown here. Okay, which is the center value? Okay, 9 into 0. Okay, 987. Okay, because whatever the value of W will be sliding here, you will get here, you will end up with a 0. This will be replaced with a 0. Whatever answer you get here? 0. This is a 0 because 987, 654, 321 is getting multiply. Okay, I hope you can see here. Okay, this is a better way. Okay, if 987, 9 will be 0, 8, 7, because it is reverse way. Okay, that is 654, 132. This is whatever the value you are getting. Okay, this one center pixel. Okay, now center pixel value will be okay 0. Okay, I hope it is visible for you. Okay, 0 will be replaced. Similarly, this is also 0. You scan it for the full image. Okay, means this is example, it is shown with the W, it is slided onto the image. Now this is also 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, when you come to the point, there is a 1. Okay, now it was like exactly opposite what the result what you are getting here. Okay, now when I slide it at this point, okay, look at this one. When I slide at this position, okay, you assume that this is 0. Okay, now what is the here? 9 into 0, 8 into 0, 7 into 0, 6 0, 5 0, all 0. Okay, now what is the value here? 1 into 1 here means you get here 1 because center value will be 1. This center value will be replaced by 1. Okay, this is what the answer I got here. Okay, now again I have to slide it. Again we have to slide it. Okay, now which is the center pixel? This is center pixel. What is that value? 9 into 0, 8 0, 6 5 4, all 0. 2 is multiplied 1, so this will be replaced by 2. This is what the answer I got here. Okay, now again I'll slide it here. Okay, which is the center value? This one. Okay, what is the answer you get here? Okay, now center value, after center value means 3 is 3 will be multiplied with 1. This will be replaced by 3. Okay, likewise we will perform all the sliding operation. Okay, like when we reach the boundary, here you have to go down by one row and you perform the operations. Okay, now when you complete full scanning, you will end up here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so this is the answer what you obtained from the convolution. Okay, in the final step we need to crop m rows, m minus 1 rows and m minus 1 columns. Okay, how many rows you have padded? There's a 2 rows, 2 columns. You crop those rows, so you will end up with the final answer. This is the final answer. What the a processed image? What is the processed image? Convoluted image. Okay, I hope you understood the concept of correlation and convolution for the two-dimensional image. Okay, it may be like a 0. Now in this image I took a 0. It may be like a 1 or any values will be there. Same process of operation will be performed, and make sure that the center pixel will be replaced by the corresponding result. Okay, I hope you understood. You can able to perform other any other examples which is related to correlation and convolution with a given any w value. Okay, this will find a very important role for further applications. Thank you.